Okay, we have arrived at the Sawmill Theater.
Her sweater, she asked if she needs it. Well, no, just now. It'll be a while before we go in there.
I'm like you.
They sell the dealers. Yeah, no, they're cheaper to go through.
Beverages also.
Right. She can sit here right behind us in a wheelchair if she can't get to one of these.
I think that all goes together. I think.
Wrong the whole time. So we want to welcome you to the Verna Lee Theater here at the Cook Sports Center for the Performing Arts. I understand some of you had a good meal beforehand. See a round of applause. Now, as the sheriff in these here parts, I would like you to silence your cell phones, any alarms and such, because Lord knows that you're probably not getting a signal. Be prepared to be entertained, whoop it up, hiss if they aren't doing their job, and enjoy the show.
Thank you. Say anything about camera.
I don't know how to keep my name. Bless you.
Have you finished pounding those fence posts? Yep. We can put the cows in there tomorrow if you got a mind to.
The roof's patched up. Ought to hold us through the next rainstorm.
Well, that old Bronco's bucking days are over. After a few rounds with me, he's more cream than coffee now. He's like a tired old smell hound after a 2-hour belly rub, if you know what I mean.
Believe me, I know the feeling. And there's only one thing that can put your soul at ease.
What would that be?
Revenge.
You don't look like the type to raise havoc. Who are you?
I'm the infamous Drake Turnabout.
The cattle rustler? But you look like a librarian.
Exactly. It turns out I once was a librarian, but that was in my college years.
You went to college to become a cow thief?
No, a tax attorney, and I was a darn good one too. Worked for the richest families in Atlanta until I met her, the most beautiful daughter of my most prestigious client. I fell in love, and when I finally had the nerve to tell her how I felt, she rejected me. And so I came.
Just go!
me have a scoop of coconut chocolate almond and a waffle cone.
And then can I have a scoop of vanilla in a waffle cone? And then another cone, cake cone of loose tracks.
Single, double, or triple?
Just all singles, please. Can you have more of that?
Well, what is that? Moose track. Man,